And KCAL News meteorologist Paul Deanno is back with your next weather forecast. Really so tough to see them preparing for yet another storm.
And it was a tropical storm 36 hours ago. It is now a Category 5 hurricane. How can we have an increase in classification? Well, there's the scientific term, super warm ocean water is fuel for a storm. This is like kerosene sitting out there for a hurricane. But two, we have brave men and women who fly in airplanes into a storm to get the data that's the most accurate, what's actually happening. Not a satellite. The hurricane hunters flew into the storm and they found flight level winds of 200 miles per hour. That was a bumpy flight. And that translates down to 160 to 170 miles per hour at the surface, making this a Category 5. The satellite picture may have still said Category 3, Category 4. When they flew a plane into it, and they do alpha patterns, so they're going back and forth like 20, 30 times to get the most accurate data. This thing is a Category 5. You can see the rain already in Florida. If you have relatives in Florida, especially the West Coast, and they're debating whether to get out or not, this is one to leave. Tell them they need to get out. The Hollywood Hills are warming up around here. It is 86 degrees with sunshine. The beach is not warming up. It is amazing how different the weather is in a matter of just a few miles. We are socked in with the clouds in Santa Monica. So Palm Springs, Woodland Hills, San Bernardino, 100 to 110 today. Seal Beach, 74. Marina Del Rey, 72. That is a very strong air conditioner coming from the beach. Marine layer hanging out. That tops our next weather headlines. Right along the coast, lots of fog, much cooler. But inland, 8th straight day, well above average. You'll still be warmer than average starting tomorrow, but you will be up to 10 degrees cooler. The peak of the heat is finished after today. All the excessive heat warnings for all of our inland communities are done after today as well. But you'll notice here the drop isn't huge. We're not falling off a cliff here temperature-wise. We're just cutting into the heat with the stronger ocean breeze. Glendale, 94 today, 90 on Tuesday, 91 on Wednesday. You'll be in the 80s for the upcoming weekend. Ontario, you're 91 right now. Some passing cirrus clouds giving you filtered sunshine this afternoon. So we're well into the 90s for the Inland Empire, 80s and 90s for our inland valleys. We get closer to the beach. LA's 82, Fullerton 79, Santa Ana 72, and then right at the coast, you're just in it. You're in the muck, and it's only in the mid to upper 60s. The change this week is subtle on a big picture. This ridge sneaks away. Storm track sneaks a little farther to the south, but that's all we need around here to increase the wind flow from the ocean. That is everything to us. Other parts of the country, it wouldn't change a thing. For us here, that's enough for a 10-degree drop-off, and you'll see that in the extended forecast. Inland Empire, 99 today, just a stronger ocean breeze, same sunshine. We'll get you down to 89 by the upcoming weekend. Lots of sunshine for the Inland Empire. Valleys, 105 to 95 tomorrow. You have a big drop just over one day. You'll still be in the 90s through Thursday and Friday. And for the metro area, since you didn't warm up as much, the drop is going to be much less pronounced. You're down 2-3 degrees between now and Thursday. 85 today, down to 82 degrees on Thursday. Back to you, Amy.
All right, Paul, thanks so much.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.